Okay, Meteorologist Zeke here, making a clip video into a makeshift GoPro again. Like I say, that didn't work so well the last time. You can hear my audio and see me looking all the fuck around. We couldn't really see anything. I'll try to tip the camera down so you can actually see me bucketing. Hopefully you can see that there. And bring the fucking bucket up. Fortunately, this is a little bit lighter, fluffier stuff than what we had the other day. Yeah, that was fucking mountain man snow the other day. The only problem is this time there's a lot of it. All 8 inches here at Mount Hope. That fucking news studio here where Zeke resides. All of that. In fact, I say we got almost as much as the last one. But anyway, like I was telling you people before, you know, I'd be fucking up. If I, like I said the other day, if I take out the radio barn, I'll be going down for a piss test just like I would at my other work if I took out like 16 fucking pallets. Guess what we're gonna do? We're gonna cover up the fucking shanty house, I think. Cause I don't really fucking care. There ain't no dog in there. Just so that people understand that. I don't want people on YouTube going, oh my god, he covered up his dog. You know, a lot of stupid comments sometimes, not so much on these videos, but God forbid you ever get out and shoot a gun. God forbid you do that. That'll bring out the millennials. They have a lot to say. There's a lot to say. You have a lot to say when you're living in your parents' basement. You get pretty fucking vocal when you're doing that. Pretty fucking socialist too. As far as that goes, you'll have that. Anyway, if you're West Coaster Zeke is saying you're tired of this fucking snow, give me a fucking thumbs up because I don't want to see any more of this shit, quite honestly. Getting fucking old. Now we don't need to do a real long video here, we're just doing a little bucketing. Okay, bringing the bucket down. Okay, maybe you can see, if I point my camera way down here, you can see that this one, push down, it brings down your bucket. The other one does the tipping thing. Now it's real easy to get too mixed up. Just like at work, you hit the wrong controls on the fork truck, and next thing you know, you're going into about 16 fucking pallets. Oh fuck yeah! That'll get the attention of the shipping office guy. I tell you that much. It also gets people talking too. They'll go, you know, hear what that stupid fucker did back there in the warehouse? That's when you just hope that you haven't been smoking Governor Evers' weed. That's all I'll say about that. They were bucketing. Now, as you can see, what I'm trying to do is get somewhere where it's a little more stable. Okay, you get it down in a fucking little pocket like that, and it starts to tip forward. Okay, you don't got a fair amount of weight on that. Anyway, fucking dump fucker up here. Oh, maybe we can. Running out of places to put the shit. I don't know that goddamn much. And we're pushing snow. 4 to 6 inches in my ass. We got 8 inches here at the fucking news studio. And you couldn't rely on that Marcus director to fucking plow anything. Now we ain't gonna be able to do that either. I have to find a new fucking dumping spot. And the more downhill you're not pointed, the better. Okay, that's where it gets unstable. You just gotta get rid of that fucking load. Anyway, hopefully you got a general idea of it. I'm going to kill the camera here pretty soon.